Hello and welcome to an introduction to SmartFactory, digital manufacturing solutions for NetSuite. In today's video, we're going to explore machine integration and monitoring so you can see and learn how SmartFactory helps you drive more value from your capital investments. SmartFactory machine integration enables machine and device connectivity. The OPC UA server is the preferred mode of connectivity, so that server acts to harmonize and centralize all the data collection, which could include counts, heartbeat, downtime, machine attribute settings. It's important to note that operators always remain in the loop with the ability to edit any signals that are captured. Machine monitoring provides a variety of different displays, color coding to provide visibility to what's happening, as well as potentially drive analytics for specific elements within the operation. The monitoring uses an intuitive interface to allow operators to accept signals, essentially verifying their accuracy. In most cases, machines are right 99% of the time. However, we never want to take the operator out of the loop. In order to provide that human intelligence, you expect your operators to deploy while managing that operation. And finally, the Connected Devices Factory Kit provides many options to connect the various pieces of equipment or devices you may have on the shop floor to provide as comprehensive a view of the operation as possible. Let's go take a look at the solution. I've used the check-in app to identify my location and work center. Let's go out to the machine monitoring app. I'm presented with a series of options. We'll jump right into the machine status, select the work center. Inside that work center, there are multiple machines. My home takes me to the SAF slitter, which you can see has been stopped for the last 2.5 minutes. The heartbeat provides visibility to the machine whether it's running or not. And you'll notice that the machine status over the last 3 to 4 hours indicates that I've been running about 90% of the time. When a downtime event does occur, the operator has the opportunity to identify the specific root cause. The machine signals will capture the specific start and stop time, but not always necessarily the root cause. SmartFactory enables the connected operator always provide the most accurate information possible to drive reliable reporting and downtime Paretos. SmartFactory enables the team to monitor, select critical attributes, in this particular case pressure and tension, look at them over time through production analytics, evaluate the work order count, and then take a look at my count in an instantaneous mode. You'll notice it just started again as I went from a stopped status back into running. SmartFactory is very consistent in terms of how it presents information for the team, so standardized work is a reality. You'll notice the press brake has been running strong, 85% over the last 5 to 6 hours. It's currently running. You see my work order status in an instantaneous count. Again, a very standardized approach. If I go out and look at the SMT line, very similar story in terms of the look and feel. Obviously, the line's down right now and has been for the past several minutes, impacting my count where nothing is coming through right now. I've got 74 produced against this work order, and you could see I have a little more variation in some of the attributes that I've been tracking. The work center snapshot can be very helpful to provide visibility to an array of equipment, whether it's just a department or possibly multiple critical machines. You'll notice that the machine attributes down below allow you to track a variety of different elements that are important to monitor. We capture that over a period of time. That data feeds the analytics that you saw on the previous pages or can be incorporated here. If I return to my home page, What's important to take away is the heartbeat settings, the downtime reporting thresholds, the machine attributes you may want to capture are all configured at the individual machine level to support the various work centers you may have configured within NetSuite. Thank you for watching today's orientation video to SmartFactory. To learn more about the solution, please visit www.suiteapp.com.